Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Plants vs. Zombies sunflower in the Friday Night Funkin' mod style. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a large curve across the top here. Next, let's round off each of the ends slightly. And then underneath, let's draw a similar curve as the top to connect the two sides. Let's draw the eyes next. Inside, let's draw two large ovals here like this. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside each eye, let's draw a circle in the top left. And then let's color both eyes in black. Let's draw the mouth next. On the left side, under the eye, let's draw a straight line here. And then let's thicken it up slightly at the bottom. And then let's move over to the right side, and we're going to draw a smaller line on an angle, like this. Next, we'll draw the mouth with a curve between the two lines. And that's it for the face. Let's add the petals next. Let's start off with a curve above the center of the head here. And now on the right side, let's step up from the bottom, and we're going to draw another petal on an angle over like this. And the same thing on the left. And now one more petal on either side in the same way. Next, let's hop to the bottom and we'll draw another petal underneath in the center. Next, let's add a petal on either side like this. And then again, one more time. And then we're going to add the last set of petals with a curve out on either side. Next, inside every petal, let's draw a thick pointed line in the center, towards the bottom. Let's draw the stem and leaves next. Underneath, on the left side, let's draw a line down like this. And then let's draw a leaf out to the left by curving it upwards. Now on the other side of the petal, let's curve it back down. And then at the bottom, another straight line down. Now let's add the right side. Underneath, on the right, let's draw a short line here, and then a curve out to the right, and back in, and down for the other petal. Let's draw the feet petal next. Underneath in the center, let's draw a curve up and over like this. and then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, inside at the top, let's draw a pointed line down and back up. Next, from the center stem, let's draw a curve out to the left. And the same thing on the right. Now hopping back to the left side, above this line, let's draw one more curve out to the left and back down. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's close off the bottom of the feet with a line inwards. And that's it for the sunflower. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!